honestly don't feel safe driving this truck. Been driving it like this since February of 23. It's October now. I can't get a timeline from Ford on when the part's going to be available. Told me to just keep driving my truck like this. What they need to do is take those parts off of trucks that are in the lot and take care of their customers that have actually bought a truck. Speed limit 65. I'm doing 42 in the fog. Foot is all the way to the floor. This is the Powerboost. I've got the issue with the exhaust heat exchanger. Even though it's not leaking, it causes this issue. Thankfully, I'm going back downhill now.